Cars And Cappuccino this morning. We have EJ. What's up? And we got the best thing at the show, Brooks. This is probably going to be a two-part video because we're going to another meet in a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to just walk around and show you guys what's here. Oh boy. Mopods. Mopods! Mopod boys! Well, he got a 360 cam. It's brand new. Okay. They got this absolute amazing looking E63S. Ooh, I love these. Love them. Here we have the roof. Look at EJ getting that shot. You getting that shot?
Yeah, brother.
You got that sick Ruby Star slider. Pretty good, pretty good. There's also a Pagani and an M5 CS here, so we're gonna go see that. Look at the roof. Detail on the wire. You got full carbon weave. Here at the second meetup in Mooresville. Here we got this Verde Scandal Aventador SV Roadster. Here we got Sancho's SF90 with the custom rims. We got a sick Pista. Very nice spec on this, I do like it. Got a little R8. Got some Beamer boys coming in hot. Right here we got the M8 Competition, followed by an M5 comp. That's followed by this crazy M6. And after this M6, we also have another BMW M6. I like this color combo. Pretty sick. Right here, there's the casually, we got Sancho's new 918 Spyder. We got the 812 that's at his dealership. Pretty sick spec, honestly. Inside of the 918. Sick car. Should be amazing. Love it. This is Mexico blue with the black and green accents. Supposedly there's only 3 Mexico blue 918s, and this is a one-off spec because it's got the green stitching. Yeah, some car right here. Looks like everyone's already heading out. You're good.
Awesome, 5 minutes.
actually got that plate.
Better get smacked. Oh boy.
This is gorgeous. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
It's an R. Got that boy Emmanuel out here, and we got that boy Pablo. Pablo, this mirror is mad clean, bro.
First, I want to two others actually. We have Downforce Motorsports, their sponsors. They built the continuation Shelby Cobras and GT40s and all that good stuff. Hope you said hi to Dan down there and Ian, and also Forge Speed. Unfortunately, Daryl Johnson, who's the builder, could not be here today. He came down with COVID. He's really, really ill right now. So, but he has been helping judge cars behind the scenes. We've had some secret judges out there, and they've been sending it to Daryl while he's sitting at home, wishing he could be here. So, we tried to still include him. So without further ado, since I did not judge these cars, do not get mad at me.
I want my Daryl photo.
So what we did in the honor of Daryl and Forge Speed and the '67 Camaro was we picked built cars to be the winners. Classic cars that we could tell, that they could tell, had tons of passion behind them in their builds. And he is very picky. And he sent his judges, who are also very picky. So in third place, and it's an incredible car. I think it's a 67. It's a 1967 Pontiac GTO. It's in silver. It's parked by the Thai restaurant. My understanding is Don Lowe is the owner. If you could come up here, Don, we'd love to give you a little piece of history of downtown. Hey, Mark, you know what? You can hand out the trophies.
She does a better job of that.
Yeah. Hey, thank you so much. Second place, I do not have a name. It's unknown. 1969. We also believe it's a 1969. It's a silver C10 long bed truck. Does anybody know the owner? Oh, he's right here. 67. We were off by 2 years. That's a long time. Thank you very much for bringing it up today. We're going to let the Corvette go out while we all stare at him and make him feel very uncomfortable. Just kidding. It's a beautiful car. All right, first place. Here we go. First place, and it is a beautiful build, is a 1961 Bel Air bubble top in Burgundy, and I believe the owner's name is Tony. Where's Tony? There he is in the green shirt. You win first place with a piece of history of downtown. Thank you. And you also win a hammer tool set that I forgot to tell you was also coming with the prize from our builder, along with your trophy. Other than that, we're going to, it's getting really hot. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to have a little bit more fun. We're going to have some food, some music. If you guys have any questions or want to talk to us at all, we'll be by the DJ booth. And thank you so much again for coming. We're probably going to shut down here in the next hour because it's getting hot. But thank you.
on the train tracks for some reason. The boys, we all flipped up. We got Emmanuel's Genesis. Got my Scat Pack. And then we got my boy Pablo's Mara. Another, a 5th gen Mara just pulled up. He's angled. His homies just left. There was a built Scat, then an ATSV. And boy crossing the street. Damn, Emmanuel jumping for no reason.
By the dip to get something.
Yeah.